Oh no, another phone call from a number you don't recognize. Feeling that anxiety? Who could it possibly be? That's where we come in. Let our team of government-certified, fully bonded, expert-trained associates answer your phone for you.
Allow me. Hello? Yes? No! I don't have time for a brief survey.
Thank you. It's all in a day's work for Answer Pro. Our highly trained agents can work in a variety of situations.
Do you have an Aunt Caroline?
Yeah, but
I'm sorry, he's dead.
custom tailor your responses from our robust list of phrases and themes, such as shaggy dog story, uncomfortable silence, tinnitus, and nostalgic modem screaming. We'll say whatever you want, so you don't have to.
Go fuck yourself. Dad says Mom is in hospice.
Huh?